Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Benny's Kitchen. So today we are preparing something special for somebody who is special too. It's somebody's birthday and they do not want to eat rice because they've been eating rice. So today I'm going to prepare Gizzardo for my son. On the table I have the ingredients for making this tasty Gizzardo. Here I have my gizzard already washed, seasoned and boiled. I have my tomatoes here blended with onions and pepper. I have my stock that I used to boil the gizzard. I have my Cameroon pepper because I want it to be very hot. I have my bouillon cube. I have my curry powder. I have my chicken powder. This is ginger and garlic paste. I have my red pepper, my yellow pepper, my green pepper, some carrots. All these have been washed thoroughly and cut. I have my salt to taste. I have my onions to fry. I have my habanero pepper. I have the red and yellow one here. Then I have our plantains and my onions I'm going to use for garnishing. So join me as I cook this special delicacy. First of all, we are going to fry our gizzard. So I'm going to add some groundnut oil in the frying pan to fry. The oil is hot now, so I'm adding the gizzard to fry. I'll throw in some onions for flavor. This will take like 5 minutes to fry. You know, at times gizzard is always hard, so you don't have to fry it to be that dry. You can use either chicken gizzard or turkey gizzard. Turkey gizzard is always bigger, so when you buy, you can chop it the size that you want. So I'm peeling my plantain now. Then I'll dice it, then you can cut into shape the way you want it. The gizzard is fried now, so I'll just take it out of the oil, then start frying our tomato sauce. So I'm done peeling the plantain now, and I added some salt to make it tasty. The oil is on the heat, so I'm just going to add the plantain to fry now. When it is golden brown, you take it out. It doesn't have any time frame for it to fry. So as it is frying, I'll go over to where my tomatoes is boiling. So I'm using the same oil. I'll now start to fry my tomatoes. So I'll fry the onions first. I'm adding the ginger and garlic paste to fry it together. I will now add in our tomato puree. I'll allow this to fry very well. So I already boiled the tomatoes and the pepper. I boiled it initially, so it won't stay too much on the heat now. And the oil is too much, I'll take some out later when it is fried. So let me just leave this one now for another 5 minutes. So our plantain is almost getting ready. I will advise that when you are doing this, don't use overripe plantain. Let the plantain be a bit hard. That is maybe semi-ripe. That will be okay. If not, they will all get smooshed when you are putting it in the tomato paste. So now I'll just bring out the plantain because it is ready now. If you have not liked this video up till this point, please stop whatever you are doing and press the like button. Also share and subscribe. So this is our tomatoes. It is ready now. So I'll just go in and season. This is my curry powder I'm adding now. My chicken powder. I'm adding some Cameroon pepper because I want it to be very hot. So I'm putting some Cameroon powder. My bouillon cube, I'm adding just one. I'll now add in the fried gizzard. I'm adding the gizzard now so it will take in some juice. At this point, you have to lower the heat so it doesn't get burnt and tomatoes will not start bobbing out of your frying pan. I'll add the stock I got from the gizzard. Because the carrot is always hard, so I'm going to add the carrot now so it will be a bit soft. Allow it to cook for like a minute. I'll just add some salt now, then later adjust it. Let me taste for salt. Okay, I'll add some salt later on. So I'm going to garnish this now. I'm going to pour in the sliced onions, my red pepper, green pepper will follow, yellow pepper will follow, my habanero pepper will follow. Man, the hotness in my kitchen now is something else, but I like it this way. That one I prefer. Everything is okay now, so I will just go in and add our fried plantain, and our gizzardo is almost there. You can eat this alone, or you can get hot spicy rice, hot spicy pasta, and take it with it. But this one is going down with hot rice. Please like, and just keep liking. I'm just going to add in some more salt. You can see the colors. We have yellow, we have green, we have orange, we have purple, we have red in our frying pan. I can hear a knock on my door. Maybe it's my neighbor. They want to ask me, what are you cooking again today? Oh, our nose is blocking.